Are you looking for a more convenient way to store items? Keep them from getting dirty, lengthy, keep them organized, keep them accessible, keep them nice and neat? Well, here's something that may help you out. These are some storage bins from a company called House Again. Stick with me and I'll show you how these work. They're pretty cool. Kim Townsel here. Thanks for watching. I have another product from House Again.
Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product and one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch.
This is 3 zipper boxes. The metal, get the top out of the way first. Metal expands like this. Very tight fit. Get it locked in there. Flip over. Get this out. Pop the other one down. Sorry about that. Very tight fit. And then the central one goes down. So you get very rigid. Very nice. So you can unzip it from the top. The zipper's both ways. You can see the contents that way. Unzips both ways. You see the contents that way. It has a handle here. You can also unzip it 2 ways from the top like this. These are really cool. Very nice. There's 3 in a set. Pull the top out of the way. You know that they're going to be very tight. You can probably get them down all the way. I'm just not able to get all the way down in there with my fingers. How cool is that? Very easy to zipper. Open it up like that. Very cool. I found a little trick when I was pushing them straight down. They were just wanting to go at an angle, so you have to kind of push them over a little bit and to make them like square up a little bit, and then they go down a little bit easier. Like I couldn't get that one down all the way in, so I need to push it over that way. That one's really tight. That one's really tight right there. It does fit a little bit better. To be honest, I'm struggling with this last one. This is as far down as I can get it. I just really can't push it down anymore. But I'll see if I can get someone who's got a little bit more hand power than me to pop that one down on in there. I really like this concept. Mine are about 10 inches tall. It's going to be about 12, about 16 inches wide. Like I said, 10 inches tall. And then looks like it's about 12, maybe 13 inches deep. So 13 inches deep, 10 inches tall, and about 16 inches across. This is really a neat concept. You could stack them up like this in your closet. You could put them like this in your closet or perhaps under the bed. You can do them like that in your closet or under the bed and have some visibility. You can stack them up like that and have some visibility, but with a little bit more privacy. And if you care more about accessibility, being able to get everything out, instead of visibility, you can stack them up like this with the larger portions that open facing the front. Very cool idea. So it has a nice little handle on both sides, feels tightly sewn in. And it also has on one side this little pocket here that you could put a business card size note in, like a note or index card cut to size telling you what's in the bin if you want to turn it around like that, if you want to have privacy. Full view, slot view, no view, door view. Thanks for watching my video review of the storage bins from House Again. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive comment. It's free to share the video with someone. Remember to check in the text below, and I'll provide a link on how you can purchase these or some similar. It helps me out a little bit if you do that. And until we meet again, let's just keep helping each other with ways to help make our world a more organized place. Thanks for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Bye.